Alright guys, in this video, let me show you real quick. I have you on the tripod here. I'm fixing up all these wires. I did this one heat shrink, did this one new because it was like corroding. Let's see this one. This one right here. That orange one. And I did this one too. And this is the one I just did also. That end to that end. I'm gonna put that one, but this one doesn't fit. So I'm gonna drill the hole with a drill, this one, so it could fit. It doesn't really fit, so I'm gonna drill this a little bigger. And that's what I'm doing. If you can't hear me, it's I got the fans on. It's 104 degrees. You gotta have these on. It is too hot. It's not to have them on. So, we need to be that big. Reach. These are sharp too. Should be good enough. Maybe that one. No, that one went in. It was 5/16. It went straight in. Woo! Hot, hot, hot. But let me see if the car will turn on. Ouch. Let me pause you guys because I gotta take off the cover off the car. Alright guys. So this one that I showed you, that black and orange one, is very corroded. So I put new fittings like that. I know this is for marina applications, I know. But I'm gonna put a nut on that later, but that's on there for now. And I'm gonna rock it like that because I can check, I can get, they're $7 each, these right here. So I can just get one that's like this, so. And I need to get a battery tray because it flops around a lot. But let's turn it on, see if it turns on. Why I say let's see if it turns on, because I haven't turned it on in a couple of days and it's probably gonna do what I told you it was doing, but maybe it was those wires, hopefully. But I forgot to tell you too, the harmonic balancer is on. I wedged the pry bar underneath, like so the concrete can like hit it. And I tightened the hell out of that bolt. 121 foot-pounds of torque. So it's already on there nice. Harmonic balancer is put on. I'll show you the setup I used. I had to use another piece behind the bearing so that piece can push the harmonic balancer on there. Better. It kind of hesitated a little bit. If you guys saw that, it kind of like no, and then it turned on. So it usually does that, and it does it a little bit more dramatic than what it did right now. It has an exhaust leak on the left. Well, right side, passenger side. But yeah, look at that harmonic balancer. Nice and like smooth, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, brother. Brother, it looks so, it's so good, it's nasty. Oh yeah. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's that one right there. Look at it. I don't know what that was for, but it's nice and straight, that piece. Nice. So I got it on there. You know, my cousin left in the middle of doing it. He had to go take care of some other stuff, so I understand. But he did help me take it off, so that was good. But yeah, guys, I wanted to show you that it does that little bit of hesitation of turning on like that. It did do it better though. Hopefully the computer works and this is fixed, because that's how I did it. That was like pushed in. I don't know, I need to fix that bolt. I don't like how that looks, right? That configuration. But yeah. And my battery, man. That's where it needs to be, man. You need to get a battery tray. I'm gonna turn it off here, guys. And that's it. Just wanted to give you the video. Check it out. That's the stand. The setup. Oh. You guys want to get it. Oh yeah, everything works now. Everything's nice. Oh, harmonic balancer is real harmonic-y. That's the setup I did. I don't like how that looks, but it works. Did that, cleaned that up, that wire, cleaned it up. Gotta clean up these wires in here, looking crazy. Clean it up little by little. But that is it, guys. The next video we're going to the back of the car and checking out the suspension in the back. It needs it. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.